The Bible said no man that allows himself to be distracted from the purpose of God is qualified for the kingdom of God. Your number one priority as an individual should be fulfilling your purpose in God. And what is purpose? Your purpose is a series of assignments that God has given to you at different stages of your life. Give attention to God. Give attention to your purpose. So when you have people come into your life that doesn't fit into your direction, they are not bad people, but they are not for you. Let them go. There are people that shouldn't be your friend. There are people that shouldn't be close to you because you guys are not heading in the same direction. You must walk with those that are going in the same direction with you. And this is so important.